When the world was born, every word was a spark of creation. In every letter, a memory of the beginning. This is a journey through Hebrew, not to learn the language, but to listen to the world as it was when the word was first spoken. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Hebrew word tinok, meaning baby, and discover how the word itself reveals the most distilled meaning of why babies come into the world. What is the purpose behind this endless cycle of birth and death? A single word that holds the essence of why new life arrives. Why does birth follow death again and again? Why time loops instead of ending? Hebrew doesn't describe, it remembers. Each word is a fossil of time, a seed with memory, a mirror that turns back toward us. This is the first step in the journey. Over time, I'll be releasing more videos that explore the entire vocabulary surrounding this theme, from seeds and eggs, through ovaries and the cervix, all the way to adulthood. Each word is precise, a scientific truth and a clear reflection of time itself. That's the essence of Hebrew. To mirror time back to us, every word is a pulse, a journey from silence to voice. Each word will be given space to speak. Let's go back for a moment to something King Solomon said. What is distorted cannot be fixed. It sounds harsh, final, and it aligns with the law of karma, a cycle of cause and effect that never forgets. And in many ways, he's right, at least from the perspective of this world. Because within the limits of the tools we have, our logic, our bodies, our memories, some things really can't be fixed. Actions echo, damage lingers. But then Rachel appears and reveals something deeper. She's jealous of her sister. She has no children, and she cries out, "Give me sons or I die." This moment isn't just emotional, it's revolutionary, because the system may be locked, but we've been given a secret bypass, the mouth, speech, the power of the word. Our entire world is driven by jealousy. We envy what others have, and then we consume. Jealousy turns into shopping. Shopping turns into ownership. That's the engine of modern life. Media, marketing, and corporate alliances all operate like a vast network of conspiracy, endlessly designing new ways to sell us the illusion of lack. But the repair doesn't lie in consumption. It doesn't lie in comparison. It lies in thought and in the words that follow. If we stop gossiping, stop comparing, and instead begin to care for our thoughts, like children entrusted to us, if we shape our speech with intention and stop using our voice as a weapon, then we begin to live differently. The distortion isn't out there. It's in how we see, how we think, how we speak. That's what Rachel understood. And that's the real fix, even when everything seems beyond repair. This is the correction of the first murder, Cain killing his brother Abel. And even now, nations we think of as separate are still brothers. Their blood still cries from the ground. And the ground, like a grieving mother, waits for someone to wash the blood away, to begin again, with a word, with a breath, with life. For now, I'll leave you alone with the word tinok. The word says it all. My intention on this channel is simple, to let the words tell their own story. Because in Hebrew, the word isn't just a label, it's a story waiting to awaken. So I leave you now with the word tinok. The word speaks for itself. There's no opinion here, no interpretation, no sarcasm, no lack of empathy, only observation. Observation of a language that carries within it a sacred triangle, the problem, the solution, and a neutral truth. So in this video, I'm not the one speaking. but the words on screen are. In Hebrew, the word for freedom shares a root with search. The word for peace shares a root with payment, the full settlement. This world is an arena of return, where unpaid debts rise to the surface until nothing remains hidden, until the account is settled, until it's complete, until it's whole. Now, eyes on the screen, open your mind, leave your opinions in the locker room. Just listen. It's not me talking to you. In Hebrew, some letters can sound almost the same. Dalet and Tav, Kaf and Kof, Shin and Samek. We hear them shift in Arabic, Aramaic, even Syriac. Linguists call it sound drift. But Hebrew isn't just sound, it's structure, it's intention. Because in Hebrew, every time one letter shifts into its cousin, A new layer opens. It's not decay, it's design. When kaf becomes kof or tav becomes tet, the meaning doesn't vanish, it deepens. This is not random phonetic evolution, it's a spiral of meaning. It all starts with the letters, and the letters never lie.